Oh, I would say you should start at the top. Start with the greats. Start with Sutzkever again, Gladstein again, Leivik again, and then representatives of the various important schools of Yiddish poetry, people like David Edelstadt, and people like Avram Reisen and Yehoish, and Mani Leib, Moshe Leib Halpern, the greats. Razel Zichlinsky, a much underrated woman poet who is one of the greatest, whom I translated also.
What does one learn from reading Yiddish literature
that you wouldn't learn from something else? I think every literature is unique. You learn something about the soul of the culture.